So yeah, in this video, I'm basically just assembling my motor before I have to put it in. I wish I would have recorded the part where I removed the motor, but I actually thought about recording all of this after, so this is the first video. So we gotta get the timing chain, oil pump, oil pan gasket also. I have to check to see if the oil pump comes with a new gasket. I'll be back. Milling. High volume. New gasket. Don't know what the f that is. I didn't even open this yet. Oil pump, pan is down, timing chain. Cam plate, cam bolts. Oh, I have ARP bolts in the crib for that, so I gotta go grab them bitches. Lift the trays in. Gotta do rear main cover, heads, the front timing chain cover, valley cover, knock sensors, cam sensor, crank sensor, oil pressure. Almost there. One of my heads, I feel like I still have to do more cleaning. Telling me it's not gonna do anything, but I feel like it is. I need to clean it. But the motor, I went to put the heads on, laid the gasket down. Come to find out, LS1 bolts cannot fit 6.0s. For some reason, they're longer. I'm not sure why, I didn't really look up. So I have to get new ARP bolts for that. And I'll continue on that. So yeah, so far that's where I'm at. Well, today is
Is it Sunday or Saturday? Sunday. Kind of got stuck, so didn't record a lot yesterday. Shit was pissing me off. Took the front bumper off. Primed this yesterday. Still have to clean more rust off of all this. Not sure if I'm doing too. This guy is doing. Get your ass like this. Chill punk ass off, bruh.